Introducing Whole Home Water Filtration from Environmental Water Systems. Our whole home filtration appliances are our flagship product and have been bestsellers since 1987. Showcased by the National Association of Homebuilders, as seen in Men's Health, and the chosen filtration product of hospitals and private homes alike. Get delicious, perfectly filtered water straight from any tap in your home with just one product. It installs as simply as a water heater. Once plugged in, simply set it and forget it, and let our digital valve automatically tell your appliance when to clean itself. Don't let you or your pets drink water with pharmaceutical residues and VOCs. Fill up their bowls and your reusable water bottles quickly and easily. Make great tasting coffee and tea, or fill any size pot for cooking. Wash your fruits and veggies in pesticide-free water. EWS Whole Home Filtration replaces plastic water bottles, fridge filters, and pitcher filters. No more stressing about running out of water or forgetting to refill the pitcher, or worrying about unsafe plastics leaching into your water. No more chlorine odor in the shower, or chlorine drying out your skin and your hair. Extend the life of your appliances by protecting them from corrosive contaminants. And our EWS filtration is the lowest maintenance option. Change the filtration media inside only once every 10 years. That's it. Our world-class triple lab-tested carbon removes chlorine, chloramine, VOCs, THMs, and over 80 other contaminants. Our whole home filtration appliances are entirely made in the USA and meet or exceed all California state and NSF compliances. To get a whole home filtration system of your own, visit our website for a retail location near you or visit one of our authorized online retailers.